Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It goes a long way. It's greatly appreciated. I can't lie to y'all, man. I've been lazy. I've had these shoes for a couple days now. They've just been sitting up here. I said, let me go ahead and do the review. I got another sandal I need to do a review on, and another shoe I'm waiting to come in. Go. It's been taking forever. I think we're at 2 weeks now, so it should be here Monday. That'll be week 3. So get to these shoes, man. I had the lotion, put some lotion on, do my own feet because my legs were ashy. So I know people say they got shoes for the low. I got these for the low. I got these for the low. No. I got these for the lowest of lows. These shoes retail over $100, and I got both of them for $18.99 each. I don't know if you're not online, you may have missed it, but eBay had a clearance sale on Asics. The actual Asics company had a clearance sale on their eBay store on shoes. So I got 2 pair, 1 box, and then I got the other one. I had left the box downstairs. But first one, Diablos. Yes. These shoes, man, the suede on here is so butter, man. If you can see it, I mean, you can just look at it. It's just so butter, man. And you can see the gel. It says gel here on the side. Got the Asics on the back. And here's gel Diablo on the tongue. These are clean, man. I can't front. I had to see what I got to wear with them. This was, honestly, I was like, I'm gotta get a pair for $18.99. I really didn't need them, but I was like, I gotta get a pair. I only found these 2 in my size, and unfortunately, they're the same color. But it's a different shoe. This is the gel Diablo. These, I like these though, man. This is gonna be like a cool, comfortable shoe if I'm gonna be out and about on my feet all day. Yeah, these are a must. Had to have these. The other ones, honestly, I ordered them. I liked them, but once I saw I got these gel Diablos, I tried to cancel this one. They said I couldn't cancel it, so I got 2 pair. So the other is the gel this one. And honestly, I was gonna cancel this one, but when it came in, I saw it. I'm like, they hard. I mean, I know they the same color. If you look, they're pretty much the same color. I mean, but they tough, man. They tough. These are tough, man. Matter of fact, both of them. We got to do it for both of them. These joints are hard. Now on this one, I will say you can see at the bottom it says gel, and you can touch it. It has that soft cushioning here at the bottom where the gel is for your shoe, so that's a plus. Then it also has this plastic. It's like a plastic around where the lacing goes at the top, and this plastic runs all the way around to the back of the shoe. Dope pickup. These are hard, man. I can't front. These are hard. Had to have them. Now, before I go take it to the feet, I want to tell you guys to check out Water Black, BLK. Water. Defy expectations, it says. Has 0 calories, 0 sugar, no caffeine, no flavoring, no dyes, electrolytes and minerals. It is alkaline water. Functional water beverage. And yes, the water is actually black itself. Dope. I actually had a little bit out of another bottle earlier, but this is good water, man. This is good water, and it keeps you hydrated. I know some people may look at it and say it's black water, but it is great. It is good water, and it's good for you. That alkaline, man, it's yeah. So try it out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. They actually had a special they were running where they shipped you some free ones where you could try it out and you pay for the shipping. I don't know if that's still going on, but I will leave a link down in the description for you guys to check this water out. Dope. Enough said. Matter of fact, one more thing I'm gonna show y'all that I picked up before we go to the feet. It took this forever because, you know, when you order something from Travis, it's gonna take forever. It said 3 to 4 weeks, but I ordered this in April. I think the end of April. And it's the Travis World tie-dye tee. I haven't opened it yet. It's just been sitting here. I'll open it. Matter of fact, let's open it. We're gonna open it together and we'll check it out. Let's see here. There we go. This is a shirt that they did in collaboration with Fortnite. They did, and he had like a video and a performance he did virtual on Fortnite. So this is the tee that came with that. And then on the back here it says live in your world, rage in ours, and it has all the different companies that was part of the actual partnership that he did this video for. Overall dope shirt. I'm actually supposed to be getting the action figure as well. I haven't gotten that in. Honestly, this shirt goes with these a little bit. I may be able to pull it off a little bit, slightly maybe. We'll see. But that's pretty much it, man. Let's get to the feet.
I'm all alone with my thoughts tonight. I'm feeling high, getting lost tonight. All alone with my thoughts tonight. Thoughts tonight, thoughts tonight. Wish you were here on the other side, but now it's me and myself and I. All alone with my thoughts tonight. Thoughts tonight, thoughts tonight.
Yeah, we living in some troubled times. These days it's hard to read between them double lines. Blurred, but the vision is clear. Ongoing saga, but no intermission is near. It's a full-time job, finding full-time jobs. Can't fold under pressure, even though that time's hard. Raise my head up to the Lord, praying for a change. Always stressing, feeling like a blessing was never in my range. It's hard, I know. Where can we go? Just so we can forever be free.
I'm all alone with my thoughts tonight. I'm feeling high, getting lost tonight. All alone with my thoughts tonight. Thoughts tonight, thoughts tonight. Wish you were here on the other side, but now it's me and myself and I. All alone with my thoughts tonight. Thoughts tonight, thoughts tonight.
Damn, 1200 for a vote. Bribery is a bitch, politicians are a joke. They ain't Robin Hood, they Robin Hoods. So make sure that your family and your partner's good. What's understood shouldn't have to be explained. We just trying to maintain. This pandemic got us in a ball and chain, while our people have a lot of needs that's been ignored cause the president concerned with greed. That's all I see, but it's hard, I know. Where can we go? Just so we can forever be free.
I'm all alone with my thoughts tonight. I'm feeling high, getting lost tonight. All alone with my thoughts tonight. Thoughts tonight, thoughts tonight. Wish you were here on the other side, but now it's me and myself and I. All alone with my thoughts tonight. Thoughts tonight, thoughts tonight.